Happy Saturday, December 12th. I'm sorry, December 5th, 2020. I need to wake up. This is going to be a super quick video. Uh, I was out on Amazon Prime, which majority of the world has, and when I was looking for cybersecurity videos to review, cybersecurity classes and training start coming up for free. So I was a little perplexed. So if you do cybersecurity inside your Prime Video, change that to Prime Video, then disaster recovery for risk management, IT security plus, hack attack, Business Insider, starring Kevin Mitnick and David Kennedy. Those are two huge all-stars in the cybersecurity realm. So when I said click watch this now, they have a 7-series feature. Actually, let's start running. So I was
or an attacker could potentially get not only access to your computer, but access to private information. Instead of using public Wi-Fi, you should just get your own portable internet device and configure it that you have to use a password, like a WPA2 key, to connect to it. That's the safest way. But if you must use open Wi-Fi, it's a risk unless you set up a VPN service. So what's a VPN service? It stands for Virtual Private Network. You could get access to a VPN service for like $60 a year. That's only $5 a month. What a VPN does is anything from your client, whether it's your phone, your tablet, or your computer, all the way to the VPN provider you're using is encrypted, so an attacker cannot eavesdrop on those communications or infect the integrity of those communications.
So once again, when you look on Amazon Prime, it came up. It has why you should never use public Wi-Fi, how to browse the internet anonymously, what happened if what would happen if America's internet went down. So Kevin Mitnick, like I said, is one of the giants in this industry, and that's just part of your Amazon Prime subscription. Like I said, I was pleasantly surprised when I started searching. Once again, there's a IT security practitioner, disaster recovery and risk management. If you click on the director, Wise, he has I think another 8 series configuring Linux for penetration, social engineering, disaster recovery, penetration testing, vulnerability assessment. So once again, these are just included in your regular Amazon Prime subscription. Like I said, and I went up there and I typed in ethical. I still have it on Amazon Prime to the right, which will bring up the Amazon Prime videos. Then I did ethical hacking. Brought penetration and ethical hacking for beginners. This is from 2017, but I look hacking the grid. Ethical hacking with Nmap, which is a very useful utility, included in your Amazon Prime membership. So let's click on it.
Here's an example, 192.168.1.1. Now each number group can have a value between 0 and 255. So if there are two computers with the same IP, there will be IP conflicts in the network. So in order to prevent this, DHCP, or Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, is used. And what DHCP does is assign a different IP to each computer. So therefore, you don't have an IP conflict, right? So NAT establishes the network. So we'll click File, click Preferences, and click on Network. And now click Add New Network on this screen, and click on the arrow, and then Exit. Now the virtual machines will need to get into this NAT network. So click virtual machine, and click settings, and target ID.
So I just did a quick video. I was just showing on Amazon Prime. There's a lot of actually cybersecurity videos included with your Amazon Prime. I just clicked on ethical hacking using Nmap, which was part of my Amazon Prime subscription. So I was just pleasantly surprised. You get a lot of videos included with that. Python is super hot in automation and programming. Oh, let me put programming in there. So we won't be looking at snakes. Python programming, like a boss. Python for everybody. Data visualization inside Python with examples. So I was just pleasantly surprised inside Amazon Prime. You get a lot of cybersecurity training and videos that are already included in there. So I'm just gonna look. It's just a super quick video. Like I said, I'm trying to show where you can get a lot of free information on cybersecurity. So, once again, I was surprised that Amazon Prime has a ton of training videos that were included with my basic functional programming in Python. Learning Python. Well, let's click on learning Python. See what they're going. And two at the bottom, of course, they recommend. This is training, getting started with MicroPython.
You are my best friend and we've got some things to do.
Here we go.
This is a once-in-a-lifetime experience.
He is my everything. It's the coolest thing we've ever done in our entire lives.
I can't believe I'm doing this with my dog.
Let's see what Amazon Prime Python, MicroPython program looks like.
Hello everyone, welcome to InventBox. My name is Darius, and today I am excited to tell you about one of my favorite projects, and that is called MicroPython. Now, if you're not familiar with MicroPython, I give you a quick rundown. It was started in 2013 by a theoretical physicist named Damien George, and what he did, he rewrote the Python programming language from the ground up, stripped it down, and made it so small enough that it could run on low memory devices such as microcontrollers. He started this as a Kickstarter project, and it did fantastic. And as a result, he was able to start producing these circuit boards, which he called a Pi board. And yes, it is a little chip that can run Python programs. Very amazing. Now, since 2000.
So that's interesting. So I need to say that to my list so I can go back and look at the MicroPython programming. Let's see, ethical. Let's do penetration testing. So that penetration testing out here, Kali configuration. That was $1.99, so that's a cheaper episode. This is a little older, so let's see what penetration tools. Let's see what this one's about. Once again, we're looking at Prime videos for cybersecurity that's included with your Prime membership. Let's see, let me click on that. So it's included, added to the watch list, special interest. It's 10 episodes. So that's weird. Let's click on that. It says this is not currently available. So let's see. Let's look at penetration testing from the IT Security Plus group.
introductory module on penetration testing. This course provides the basis of what you are going to need to know if you want to become a security professional.
Which you do, by the way. And during this course, we will be discussing security and vulnerability, as well as different types of tests, and more importantly, when to test. You're probably anxious to get started, so let's just jump right in, Laura. Are you anxious?
Yeah, absolutely. Let's go.
Let's do it.
We often hear the word defense. Defense in depth, defending against cyber terrorism, and so on. Corporations hire security professionals and buy security controls to further enhance their defenses. But who can confirm that the measures taken are enough to defend against skilled hackers? Here comes the role of penetration testing.
So once again, that's included in the Amazon Prime as part of your membership. A nice video on penetration testing. There was two out there: straight penetration testing and configuring Linux. So let's see if there are Java programming videos. Java programming for beginners. Algorithm secrets. This is once again included in my Amazon Prime video setup. So let's look at this one. It got 3 out of 5. So let's peruse that and see if they have some good information in there.
Hi, my name is Andrew Snydersbach. Welcome to our Java Programming for Beginning Beginners course. I hope you're excited because you're about to begin an amazing journey. It won't all be easy and it will certainly take practice, but if you stick with it, computer programming can easily be one of the most fun and fulfilling topics you will ever study. By the end of this course, you will have a very solid base of programming knowledge that you can take with you to your workplace or further studies. To get started, in this first chapter, we'll be taking a look at setting up your computer to begin programming. Then we'll get right down to it and create our very first computer program. So if you're ready, let's get started.
So once again, that was included with your Amazon Prime Video membership. Java programming. So this seems interesting. How to become a successful programmer without a degree, included with your Amazon Prime membership.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the class. In this first lesson, I'll talk about some of the motivation of why you want to become a programmer. I'll talk briefly about some of the motivating factors for becoming a programmer, and also talk about some of the elements that make being a programmer such a good career move. Then I'll lay out the structure of the rest of this class. Becoming a programmer can be a very good job choice. I've been involved with software development for over 30 years, and I've really enjoyed the development aspects of my career. I want to share with you some of my experiences of my career and some of the things that will help you be successful. Software development job.
Once again, this is a short video. I just wanted to show that you can use your Amazon Prime Video membership, and there's a bunch of cybersecurity videos, cybersecurity tools. With Kevin Mitnick out there, some of the giants are putting videos out on Amazon Prime for free for you to use and get better at your career. Once again, please subscribe. Thank you for joining me on this early Saturday morning. Have a great weekend.